Imagine standing in a used car lot with just $55,000 in your pocket. Impossible to find a reliable ride? Think again. We've uncovered 10 hidden gems that'll make you question why anyone buys new. These aren't rust buckets we're talking about, solid, dependable cars that could easily hit 200,000 miles. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 most reliable cars under $55,000. From luxury sleepers to efficient compacts, we've got something for everyone. We've analyzed reliability ratings and owner reviews to bring you the best of the best. You won't believe the peace of mind these budget-friendly options can provide. Stick around. Our number 3 pick might just outlast you. Ever dreamed of driving a car that feels luxurious without the hefty price tag? Let's talk about a hidden gem in the used car market. The 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3. This car is about to change everything you thought you knew about budget-friendly vehicles. Many people still think of Mazda as just another cheap Japanese brand. But the truth is Mazda has transformed its image, and the Mazda 3 is the perfect example. When you sit in a Mazda 3 from this era, you might think you've accidentally stumbled into a much more expensive car. The interior materials are soft to the touch and put together with incredible precision. The dashboard layout is intuitive and classy, without any signs of cost-cutting. One standout feature: the available heads-up display, typically found in high-end vehicles. But the Mazda 3 isn't just about looks. Under the hood, you'll find Mazda's Skyactiv engines. These power plants are like master chefs, squeezing every ounce of performance from each drop of fuel. You'll enjoy the power you want without the fuel bills you dread. Now here's where things get really interesting. The Mazda 3 has a secret superpower: longevity. It's not uncommon to see these cars cruising past the 200,000-mile mark with just regular maintenance. Don't just take our word for it. John, a proud Mazda 3 owner, told us, "I've had my 2015 Mazda 3 for over 180,000 miles now, and it still runs like new. I can't believe how reliable it's been." While other cars are limping into the junkyard, the Mazda 3 is just hitting its stride. It's a car that combines luxury feel, efficiency, and durability in a package that won't break the bank. If you're in the market for a used car that punches way above its weight class, the 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3 should be at the top of your list. Let's shift gears to something more substantial: the 2012 to 2016 Honda CR-V. This SUV is redefining family transportation with its impressive blend of space, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. The CR-V's interior is a marvel of smart design. It's not just spacious, it's packed with clever storage solutions. The rear seats fold down to create a flat load floor, turning your grocery getter into a small moving truck in seconds. It's like Mary Poppins' bag. It seems to go on forever. Honda's reputation for building engines that last is on full display here. It's like the Energizer Bunny of the automotive world. It just keeps going and going. According to owner reviews, the 2012 to 2016 CR-V consistently ranks high in satisfaction due to its dependable performance. We're talking minimal issues, even after the odometer has spun around more times than a kid on a merry-go-round. Let's talk numbers. Average repair costs for this SUV are reported to be lower than many of its competitors. That means more money in your pocket for the important things in life, like road trip snacks, of course. No vehicle is perfect. Some owners have reported issues with the air conditioning system, and there have been cases of excessive oil consumption. However, these problems are relatively minor compared to the overall reliability of the vehicle. It's like complaining about a hangnail when you've just won a marathon. The 2012 to 2016 Honda CR-V proves that SUVs can be practical, reliable, and cost-effective. With its clever design, robust engineering, and impressive track record, it's no wonder you see so many CR-Versas still cruising the streets, looking as fresh as the day they rolled off the lot. Whether you're hauling groceries or embarking on a cross-country adventure, this Honda is ready to tackle whatever you throw at it. Ever wondered if a car could be both a cozy living room on wheels and a mechanical fortress? The 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord is here to answer that question with a resounding yes. This midsize sedan is redefining reliability in ways you wouldn't expect. Think bigger cars are more prone to problems? The Accord flips that notion on its head. It's a fan favorite that's been winning hearts for years, and for good reason. Let's dive into what makes it so special. Imagine gliding down the highway in a cloud of comfort. That's the Accord experience. The spacious interior feels like a mobile lounge, perfect for daily commutes or cross-country adventures. But comfort is just the beginning. Honda's engineering prowess shines in every aspect of the Accord. They've designed this car with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring it keeps rolling mile after mile, year after year. It's built to last, and that's not just empty talk. While most cars depreciate faster than you can say trade-in, the Accord holds its value like a champ. It's like it's found the fountain of youth for resale value, clinging to its worth like a determined bulldog. That's great news for your wallet, but the true test of any car is how it performs when the odometer starts looking like a phone number. The Accord is like a seasoned marathon runner, just hitting its stride when others are gasping for breath. We're talking about cars that keep purring along well past the 200,000-mile mark. And here's a little secret. Under the hood, the 2013 to 2017 models come with a timing chain instead of a belt. Unlike timing belts that need regular replacement, timing chains can last the lifetime of the engine. It's like the difference between buying new shoes every year or getting a pair that lasts a lifetime. Less maintenance, more miles. That's the Accord way. Ever wondered if there's a truck that's as tough as nails, but won't drain your wallet? Meet the 2005 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma, a rugged workhorse built to take a beating and keep on trucking. Picture this. A Tacoma effortlessly climbing a muddy hill while other trucks spin their wheels desperately trying to gain traction. That's the kind of toughness we're talking about. This beast isn't just built for the road. It's engineered to conquer the wilderness, laughing in the face of muddy trails and rocky terrain. But here's where the Tacoma really shines. It sips fuel like an economy car. While some full-size trucks guzzle gas, the Tacoma offers impressive fuel efficiency. That's savings you'll feel every time you fill up. Toyota's legendary engineering is the secret sauce behind the Tacoma's longevity. The result? A truck that scoffs at the 100,000-mile mark and keeps rolling well past 200,000 miles. It's not uncommon to see Tacomas from the early 2000s still rumbling down the road, looking ready for another decade of adventure. When something does go wrong, your wallet won't take a hit. The Tacoma's maintenance needs are surprisingly affordable. We're talking regular oil changes, brake pad replacements, and timing belt changes that won't have you eating ramen for a month. Here's the kicker. These trucks hold their value like gold. After 5 years, a Tacoma can still be worth around 70% of its original price. Compare that to the average truck, which typically retains only 50% of its value over the same period. That's like finding money in your pocket every time you go to sell. Many owners report pushing their Tacomas to the limit with heavy towing and off-road adventures, and these trucks just keep coming back for more. It's like they're powered by some kind of automotive magic. So if you're in the market for a truck that's tough, efficient, and won't break the bank, the 2005 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma might just be your perfect match. It's more than just a pickup. It's a reliable partner for all your adventures. Ever dreamed of owning a luxury SUV without breaking the bank on maintenance? Let me introduce you to the 2004 to 2009 Lexus RX 350, the ultimate blend of luxury and affordability. This isn't just another overpriced status symbol. It's a smart investment that'll have you feeling like a savvy car buyer. Here's the real kicker. The RX 350 is built on Toyota's renowned engineering. You're getting all the plush comfort and high-end features of a Lexus, with Toyota's bulletproof reliability under the hood. It's like having a luxury hotel that never needs renovations. owners are reporting something truly remarkable. These RX 350s aren't just lasting. They're thriving well past 200,000 miles. They're still purring like kittens and pampering drivers with sumptuous leather seats, a whisper-quiet cabin, and a smooth ride that rivals much newer models. But let's talk features. The RX 350 boasts a premium sound system, power-adjustable heated seats, and a moonroof that'll have you feeling like you're driving in first class. The comfort level is so high, owners say it feels just as plush years down the road as it did on day one. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Thanks to its Toyota DNA, maintenance costs for the RX 350 are surprisingly low. Many parts are interchangeable with more modest Toyota models, meaning you won't need to sell a kidney every time it needs a checkup. Here's the real shocker. The total cost of owning one of these beauties is jaw-droppingly low. You're getting all the prestige and comfort of a luxury brand with maintenance costs that'll make you feel like you've outsmarted the entire automotive industry. Now that's what I call smart luxury. Ever wondered why you see the same car prowling the streets as both a taxi and a police cruiser? There's a reason. The Ford Crown Victoria has earned the nickname the Tank, and it's not just because of its size. This legendary vehicle, produced from 1998 to 2012, has become the go-to choice for those who push cars to their absolute limits. Trust me, the story behind this unbreakable workhorse will make you question everything you thought you knew about car longevity. Now I know what you're thinking, a car that old? Won't it guzzle gas and fall apart? But here's the kicker. The Crown Vic's simple, no-nonsense design is actually its secret weapon. This car is built like a prehistoric creature, outliving everything around it. Its straightforward layout makes repairs a breeze, and it's music to the ears of fleet operators and budget-conscious drivers alike. Less time in the shop means more time on the road and more money in your pocket. But don't just take my word for it. The Crown Victoria's reputation for surviving high mileage, hard use is backed up by countless real-world examples. We're talking about a car that laughs in the face of wear and tear. Sure, you might need to replace a suspension component here or there, but that's small potatoes compared to the headaches other cars can give you. Now let's talk about that V8 engine. It's not just powerful, it's practically immortal. With just basic maintenance and regular oil changes, these engines keep purring long after others have given up the ghost. It's like the automotive equivalent of a marathon runner who just keeps going and going. But here's where things get really wild. We've heard stories of Crown Vics still running strong after 400,000 miles. You read that right, 400,000 miles. That's like driving to the moon and halfway back. It's the kind of mileage that makes other reliable cars look like they're built out of cardboard. Are you tired of searching for a reliable family SUV? Look no further than the 2001 to 2007 Toyota Highlander. This hidden gem has been dominating reliability charts for over 15 years, redefining what's possible for a hauler. You might be skeptical about an older SUV, but the Highlander isn't just any vehicle, it's a Toyota. That name carries weight in the automotive world, and for good reason. Owners rave about its smooth ride and spacious interior, perfect for everything from cross-country road trips to daily school runs. What sets the Highlander apart is its reputation for hassle-free ownership. While some minor electrical issues and suspension wear have been reported, these are generally manageable with routine maintenance. It's like the Highlander has a simple motto: take care of me, and I'll take care of you. Safety is paramount when it comes to family vehicles, and the Highlander doesn't disappoint. Many models from this era received top marks in crash tests, with features like side impact airbags and anti-lock brakes standard on most trims. It's like driving around in a family-friendly fortress. Compared to newer SUVs, the Highlander offers impressive value. While a recent model might offer more advanced tech, you'll pay a premium for those features. The 2001 to 2007 Highlander provides reliable transportation at a fraction of the cost, with lower maintenance expenses to boot. Here's the mic drop moment. Many Highlanders from this generation are still actively serving families after 15 years. It's like the Energizer Bunny of SUVs. It just keeps going and going. From its comfortable ride to its impressive safety ratings and long-term durability, the 2001 to 2007 Toyota Highlander proves that sometimes the best family SUV isn't the newest, it's the smartest choice. If you're in the market for a reliable family hauler, this Highlander deserves a spot at the top of your list. Think newer cars are more prone to problems? The 2014 to 2019 Toyota RAV4 is about to challenge everything you thought you knew about modern vehicle reliability. This compact SUV isn't just defying expectations. It's setting new standards that even its larger siblings struggle to match. It might just outperform some of the most legendary, reliable cars we've covered so far. Why is the RAV4 turning heads in the reliability game? It's been racking up high marks in consumer reports and reliability studies. Despite being packed with modern tech, the RAV4 isn't falling into the trap of electronic nightmares that plague some newer vehicles. Toyota's been playing the long game, continuously improving the RAV4 platform, ironing out kinks, and enhancing safety features with each model year. The result? A modern SUV that's not just keeping up with the old-school reliability champs, it's giving them a run for their money. What are RAV4 owners actually experiencing? Sure, there have been some reports of minor electrical hiccups and the occasional transmission grumble, but these issues are about as rare as finding a parking spot at the mall on Black Friday. When problems do pop up, they're usually quick and easy fixes that won't drain your wallet. Speaking of wallets, the RAV4 is actually saving owners money in the long run. Average repair costs for this compact SUV are lower than many of its competitors. It's like getting a 2-for-1 deal. You get the reliability of a Toyota with the affordability of a more affordable Toyota. The real magic of the RAV4 is how it blends efficiency with practicality. We're talking over 30 miles per gallon on the highway for many models. That's the kind of fuel economy that will make you do a double take at the pump. And don't think for a second that Toyotas sacrifice space for efficiency. The RAV4 offers plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it a perfect choice for families or those who love to take road trips. When you buy a Toyota RAV4, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in a reputation. The 2014 to 2019 RAV4 brings you Toyota's legendary reliability, wrapped in a modern package, with a side of excellent fuel economy. It's one of the best deals on the road today, and it's ready to tackle your daily adventures. So if you're in the market for an SUV that offers the best of everything, the Toyota RAV4 should be at the top of your list.